Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to the Daily House Ideas. If you're feeling a bit overwhelmed after all that holiday sparkle, today's video is your design reset. We're diving into creating a calm, serene farmhouse home using linen, wood, and natural light, the perfect antidote to post-Christmas clutter. This aesthetic embraces simplicity, warmth, and that cozy hygge feeling we all crave in January. If you love timeless farmhouse style, hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Drop a comment below telling me what room you're most excited to refresh this year. Let's create spaces that breathe with you. Your farmhouse exterior sets the tone for everything inside. After removing Christmas lights, embrace natural simplicity with whitewashed brick or classic board and batten, siding in soft neutrals like cream or greige. Add a weathered wood front door and its natural finish, flanked by simple planters with winter greenery like eucalyptus or dried grasses. A vintage-inspired lantern provides warm ambient lighting without overwhelming the space. This understated approach creates what designers call quiet luxury, beauty through restraint and quality materials. Your home's facade should whisper welcome, not shout for attention, inviting guests into your peaceful sanctuary. Your entryway is the transition zone from outside chaos to inside calm. Install a simple wall-mounted coat rack in raw wood or matte black metal for jackets and hats. Below, place a reclaimed wood bench with woven baskets underneath for shoe storage. This maximizes your vertical space beautifully. Add a large leaning mirror with a chunky wood frame to bounce natural light and make the space feel larger. A jute or sisal mat grounds the area with natural texture. Small hooks for keys keep surfaces clutter-free. This layered approach creates what we call landing zone design, where everything has its place and your morning routine flows effortlessly. The living room is where farmhouse magic truly happens. Start with your foundation, a neutral color palette of warm whites, soft beiges, and natural wood tones. Paint walls in a shade like Swiss coffee or accessible beige to create that light-filled backdrop. Choose a linen sofa in oatmeal or flax. Linen is perfect because it ages beautifully and adds that lived-in, casual elegance farmhouse style celebrates. Layer with a chunky wool or jute area rug to define the space. This monochromatic scheme creates visual calm and lets natural materials shine. Remember, farmhouse isn't about stark white. It's about warm, inviting neutrals that embrace imperfection. Beyond your linen sofa, add accent seating that enhances both function and farmhouse aesthetic. Consider a pair of slip-covered armchairs in washable cotton or linen. Slipcovers are genius because they're practical and create that relaxed, unpretentious vibe. A reclaimed wood coffee table with visible grain and natural imperfections becomes your centerpiece. Add a vintage wooden bench as additional seating or a footrest. The key is mixing textures: smooth linen, rough-hewn wood, soft cotton. This creates what designers call tactile layering, making your space feel rich and inviting. Choose pieces that look like they've been collected over time, not purchased in one shopping trip. Natural light is your best friend in farmhouse design. Keep window treatments simple. Linen curtains in white or natural hung on wooden or matte black rods allow maximum light while adding softness. During daytime, let sunshine flood in unobstructed. For evenings, layer your lighting thoughtfully. A statement pendant in wood beads or metal cage design provides ambient light. Add table lamps with linen or burlap shades on side tables. Consider Edison bulbs for that warm, vintage glow. This three-layer lighting approach, natural, ambient, and task, creates versatility and warmth. Avoid harsh overhead lighting. Farmhouse spaces should glow, not glare. After Christmas styling is about restraint and intention. On your coffee table, create a simple vignette. A wooden dough bowl filled with white candles, a small stack of vintage books, and a single piece of greenery like a eucalyptus stem. On floating shelves, display ironstone pitchers, wooden bowls, and a few carefully chosen books. The farmhouse principle here is curated, not cluttered. Each piece should have purpose or meaning. Add texture through woven baskets, chunky knit throws draped casually, and linen pillows in varying shades of cream. This approach creates what stylists call styled simplicity. It looks effortless but is actually quite intentional. Your dining space should encourage lingering conversations. Choose a solid wood farmhouse table, reclaimed pine or oak with visible grain, and perhaps some distressing tells a story. Surround it with mismatched seating for that collected over time feel. Wooden Windsor chairs, upholstered benches in natural linen, or even a vintage church pew on one side. This eclectic mix creates what designers call high-low styling, blending rustic and refined. The beauty of farmhouse dining is its informality. Nothing needs to match perfectly. Add a jute rug underneath to define the space and absorb sound. Your table becomes a canvas for daily life and special gatherings alike. Table styling post-Christmas should breathe with simplicity. Create a centerpiece using a long wooden trough or dough bowl filled with white pillar candles in varying heights, surrounded by dried lavender or eucalyptus. Or simply place 3 ceramic pitchers in graduated sizes down the table center. Add texture with linen placemats in natural tones and simple ceramic dishes in white or cream. Wooden chargers underneath add warmth. Skip the formal tablecloth. Embrace the beauty of your wood table's natural surface. This minimalist approach follows the farmhouse mantra, beauty through simplicity. Your table should invite gathering without feeling fussy or formal. The farmhouse kitchen balances beauty with practicality. If possible, choose shaker-style cabinets in warm white or soft gray. Their clean lines and recessed panels are quintessentially farmhouse. Open shelving on at least one wall displays everyday dishes and creates visual breathing room. For appliances, a white or cream refrigerator blends seamlessly. If you have stainless steel, embrace it as your mixed metal element. A classic white farmhouse sink with a gooseneck faucet in brushed nickel or oil-rubbed bronze anchors your workspace. These foundational choices create what designers call timeless functionality, style that won't feel dated in 5 years. Keep counters largely clear for that serene farmhouse aesthetic. Choose butcher block or white quartz countertops. Both offer warmth and practicality. Create a dedicated coffee station, a vintage-inspired small espresso machine in cream or stainless, a wooden tray corralling your coffee essentials, and ceramic canisters for beans and sugar. Add a small vase with fresh eucalyptus for life. Near the stove, a ceramic crock holds wooden utensils, and a cutting board leans casually against the backsplash. This intentional styling creates functional vignettes, pretty arrangements that actually serve your daily routines. Everything is within reach yet beautifully composed. Small details transform a kitchen from ordinary to extraordinary. Install a subway tile backsplash in classic white with gray grout for subtle contrast and timeless appeal. Replace builder-grade hardware with cup pulls and knobs in unlacquered brass or matte black. These metal finishes develop a beautiful patina over time. Display a collection of white ironstone on open shelves. Hang a vintage-inspired pendant light over the sink or island for task lighting and visual interest. Add a woven runner in jute or cotton at the sink area. These touches create layered authenticity, making your kitchen feel collected and personal rather than cookie-cutter. The family room is your casual sanctuary, distinct from the formal living room. Center it around a comfortable sectional in durable linen or cotton in warm gray or beige. This is where real life happens. Mount your flat-screen TV above a reclaimed wood console or antique cabinet, styling the console simply with wooden boxes, a few books, and a small plant. Add a large jute or wool rug underfoot. The key here is relaxed refinement, comfortable enough for movie nights yet still beautiful. Include plenty of throw pillows in varying linen textures and a chunky cable knit throw draped over the sofa arm. This space should invite you to sink in and exhale. Carve out a small workspace that inspires focus. A vintage wooden writing desk or simple farmhouse table against a window captures natural light, essential for productivity and mood. Add a comfortable upholstered chair in linen or a wooden Windsor chair with a cushion. On the desk, keep only essentials. A small vintage radio for background music, a unique analog desk clock for time awareness without digital distraction, and a ceramic pencil holder. A small desk lamp with linen shade provides task lighting. Above, install a simple shelf for reference books. This creates what productivity experts call a focused microenvironment. Everything you need, nothing you don't. Every farmhouse needs a quiet reading corner. Near a window, place a comfortable slip-covered armchair or a vintage wingback chair reupholstered in natural linen. Add a small side table in weathered wood for your tea and current book. A woven basket beside the chair holds extra throws and reading materials. Good lighting is crucial. Add a floor lamp with adjustable arm for evening reading. A sheepskin throw over the chair adds warmth and texture. This intimate space embodies the Danish concept of hygge, creating cozy contentment through simple pleasures. Your reading nook becomes a retreat from digital noise, a place for slow mornings and quiet evenings. Your bedroom should be the calmest room in your home. Center a wooden bed frame, four-poster, sleigh, or a simple planked headboard, and dress it in layers of white and natural linen bedding. The texture of linen creates visual interest within a monochromatic palette. Add a chunky knit throw at the foot and Euro shams for depth. Flanking nightstands in weathered wood or painted white hold simple linen-shaded lamps. Keep surfaces minimal. A small vase with dried stems, perhaps a stack of books. A jute or wool rug grounds the bed. This creates what sleep experts call a restorative environment, peaceful, uncluttered, and focused on rest. Transform your bathroom into a spa-like retreat using farmhouse principles. A walk-in shower with white subway tile and matte black fixtures creates clean, classic style. The vessel sink or undermount basin sits atop a reclaimed wood vanity or vintage dresser converted for plumbing. A large mirror with chunky wood frame reflects light and expands the space. Add warmth with rolled white towels in a wire basket, a wooden bath tray across the tub holding candles and eucalyptus, and a jute bath mat underfoot. These natural materials create what designers call organic luxury, spa quality through simple, natural elements rather than expensive finishes. Even your garage deserves farmhouse attention. Install slat wall or pegboard painted in soft gray for organizing tools, functional and visually appealing. Reclaimed wood shelving provides storage for bins and seasonal items. A vintage workbench becomes both functional workspace and statement piece. Keep concrete floors sealed and clean. Add a durable jute runner if desired. Mount hooks for bikes and sports equipment. Industrial-style pendant lights provide task lighting. The goal is functional beauty. Your garage becomes an extension of your home's aesthetic, not a forgotten storage unit. Everything has a place, and that place looks intentional and considered. Your farmhouse patio extends your living space into nature. Choose durable teak or acacia furniture with neutral cushions in weather-resistant fabric. A large farmhouse table allows for outdoor dining, surrounded by mismatched chairs or a combination of chairs and benches. String Edison bulb lights overhead for magical evening ambience. Add large ceramic planters with seasonal greenery, ornamental grasses, lavender, or herbs. A jute outdoor rug defines the seating area. Keep styling simple. Galvanized metal accents, wooden lanterns with candles, and perhaps a vintage watering can as decor. This creates indoor-outdoor flow, seamlessly extending your farmhouse aesthetic beyond four walls. Transitioning from Christmas requires intentional editing. Remove all colored decorations first, then assess what remains. Often greenery and natural elements work year-round. Pack away Christmas-specific items immediately to avoid lingering clutter. Deep clean as you go, washing linens and dusting surfaces. Replace holiday pillows with everyday neutrals. This process, called seasonal resetting, creates mental and physical space for the new year. Don't rush to fill empty spaces. Embrace negative space as part of your design. Sometimes the most beautiful thing you can add to a room is nothing at all. Let your spaces breathe. Beautiful friends, we've journeyed through an entire farmhouse home together, embracing linen, wood, and natural light as our guiding principles. Remember, farmhouse style isn't about perfection. It's about creating warm, welcoming spaces that celebrate natural materials and simple beauty. Start small. Maybe refresh one room this month using these principles. The beauty of this aesthetic is its timelessness and accessibility. If you found inspiration today, please hit that like button and subscribe to the Daily House Ideas for weekly design goodness. Comment below with which room you're tackling first. I read every single one and love hearing your plans. Until next time, keep creating spaces that make you feel at home.